Let's be honest, nobody's buying music anymore. In fact, they never did. They're buying experiences, but the question is, why experiences and not the product? They want access into your world, acknowledgement that they matter, and achievement that makes them feel like they're a part of something bigger than just a stream. This is actually what they're seeking, and it's actually what you're seeking too. Now, once you understand how these three things work in tandem with each other, your entire career will unlock, and the success that you want will actually become achievable. Learning about these three products, so to speak, came because through my research, the number one problem that most aspiring artists wish their favorite artists did was engage with them. So far, 100% of the artists that I've worked with have stated this when they've gone through my strategy session. So let me help you fix this problem, okay? Number one is access, which is insights into your world. Now check it out. When most of you want to create any product beyond streaming, you do it for the sake of making money. And second, to make a dope product. But it's not about the product or the money first. Your customer actually wants access, better insights into your world via the product. That's what you're selling. You're selling the access and insights, not the product. So if you don't shift your mindset this way, you'll always create products for money, not understanding the true meaning behind creating them in the first place. The access experience. However, when you do shift your mindset to think this way, you will forever make money on each new product you create because you put thought into the experience of the product. You see what I'm saying? So you want to create a checklist and ask yourself, how in depth will the access and insights about me will the product actually have? And is the access and insights worth the price set? And on a scale of 1 to 10, how great will this experience be? Asking these questions will rewire your thinking and creation process. But if you throw some things together, then sitting on excess inventory will be the result. And that is harder than taking the time to create a great product experience. Trust me, it is. Number two, acknowledgement, recognizing the people. The problem with many artists is that you guys are too egocentric. You're focused on yourselves. You want people to recognize you when you grow, but in reality, as you grow, people want you to recognize them. So you only have a short amount of time to seek acknowledgement before you have to give it. Your fame and money depend on giving this acknowledgement. It really does. So you'll want to start the practice of engaging with your followers and fans early. If you don't, you will begin to treat fans like just another number as you grow, and a bad customer experience produces bad word of mouth. However, if you figure out ways to give acknowledgement on different levels as you grow, you will exceed your fans' expectations. We need this. All you have to do is reply to the comments from the very beginning daily, and then actually use your email list as you build it, and then spotlight and shout out fans when necessary. I'm talking about this is going to do wonders for your fan base and your reach. So for instance, I don't know if you guys saw that clip when Kendrick Lamar shouted out a fan that has been there since the beginning of his career at his shows. This is the level of acknowledgement that I'm talking about. This isn't hard to do. You just have to realize that keeping your customers' experience top of mind will always increase or support your bottom line. You see what I'm saying? Now, so far we've covered access and acknowledgement, but this next part is where a lot of you guys are going to drop the ball, which is achievement. So stick and stay. And side note, if you need a strong foundation to run your personal record label on, grab my 60-day record label system, complete with my funding partners to fund some of these opportunities that will arise and products that you need to create. Now, number three, the achievement, the status symbol. Now, when access and acknowledgement are given, some of your fans will crave more. They'll actually want achievement or status. If you don't do this right, you will stifle your growth and your revenue. People seek achievement through how much access and acknowledgement they have been given. And this shows up in the form of exclusivity. This is at the top of the pyramid. If you don't do this, your highest paying customers and fans will feel like you don't care because you don't have an exclusive experience just for them. However, once you provide this experience, they will all stand on the mountaintops and shout your name. So you'll want to make exclusive product offers, make an exclusive community or membership rewards type of program, and then offer limited edition products and offer meet and greets. You're talking about people who've been around for the longest. They need something special. Don't overcomplicate it. Selling achievement is all about completing the fan experience with a reward. So I want you to think about selling insights and access, not a product. I want you to give recognition more than you seek it And I want you to sell some type of status or reward to an exclusive group of your fans. The goal is to truly understand the needs of a fan base and the behaviors of it. The real question isn't should you do this, it's how much longer can you afford not to. Now, if you need help with devising a strategy about this or you need more info, book a call. The calls are back open. Book a call with me today or join our group strategy calls every Monday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time inside the Music Money Makers community. Click below to join and book now. Rewiring your thinking and creation process is much easier than sitting on excess inventory. You just have to remember that keeping your customer's experience top of mind will always increase or support your bottom line. Finally, don't overcomplicate selling achievement. It's all about completing the fan experience with the reward at the end of the day. So they just need something more exclusive than you've been offering everybody else. Now, if you don't focus on this process, you're going to work harder than you need to, causing you to run low on inspiration to create, but ultimately causing you to create a lackluster product. Nobody wants that because that yields bad reviews and then people start to talk about you and how their experience was whack and all. You don't want that. But if you were struggling with how to create a better product, acknowledge and recognize your fans and reward them, you now have the means to become the highly engaged artist you've always wanted to be. I guarantee you it's nothing more than this. Right? You're just making it too hard. So Music Money Makers, if you make music, you should always make money. Log on to musicmoneymakeover.com. Grab the 60-day record label system complete with funding. Join the Music Money Makers community. Book a call with me right now today. Grab the free stuff and watch this next video right over here to save your career. And I'll see you next time. Peace.